Instructed by tower to line up and wait. Waiting for the heavy to clear the runway. Cape Town Tower has just cleared us for takeoff. Setting max thrust. Thrust is set. Maintaining runway center line. Checking that airspeed is alive and temperatures and pressures are in the green. That's rotation and easing back on the elevator. A bit of right rudder to maintain centerline, keeping the aircraft level and flying in ground effect. Adjusting the aircraft for 70 knots, which is best rate of climb up to 1,500 feet.